Yeezy Ruckus Beats.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Yeezy Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Monday, April 26th, and I am back with a brand new pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're most definitely, 100%, most certainly going to get into an on foot. It's approximately 7:15 at night here in Philadelphia, so I'm unsure if I'm going to be able to get the review filmed fast enough to get outside before sunset to get the on foot done, out in the streets, out in the elements, out with my people. But that is the goal. But like I said, if the sun sets before the on foot, we're going to be doing the on foot here in the sneaker room. So I do apologize in advance if that is what does in fact happen. Now that I got the whole intro out of the way, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and follow your boy on all social. And while we're talking social, go give Sunday Morning Company, SUNDAMOURNING, Company, a follow on Instagram. I'll have their Instagram going across the screen right now. It is my clothing line that I just started a few months ago. As many of you know, I did have my own little YouTube merch sneaker thing. Obviously, a play on the word Stranger Things that actually took me a lot further than I thought it was ever going to do. And I felt like I did beat a dead horse with the whole sneaker things thing. So I decided to start Sunday Morning Company. We just dropped installment 2 last Sunday. There are still some pieces available. RichieRuckus.com, Sunday Morning Co. Installment 2. Installment 3 is actually right around the corner. I'll be dropping that sometime in early May. Now that all of the formalities are out of the way, you know the drill. You know why you're here. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Yeezy Slide in the pure colorway. First and foremost, forgive my fingernails. I have tie-dye all over me. If you go peep my latest Instagram post, I actually just produced a Sunday Morning Company 1-of-1 denim trucker jacket that I then completely dip-dyed, tie-dyed, and I thought it came out fire. So go peep my Instagram. I'll have the newest post coming across the screen right now, but that is this purple and teal paint that is all over me, and I thought it was fire. Handcrafted denim jacket that I made, and then I dyed. So it was a 1-on-1. I'm not going to release it to the public. It was just something for the personal. Back to the first and probably only slide review on Yeezy Ruckus on YouTube. But anyway, super fire. When they first started dropping these, I wanted to get them, and I think it was actually the weekend I got engaged. It definitely was. I was in Salem. Yeezy Supply dropped a couple colorways. I think it was like the soot and maybe like the bone. There was like 2, and maybe the recent dropped then too. There was a few that dropped back in early September, not to be confused with the early November pop punk band from New Jersey. Shout out to Ace Enders and the boys. But super dope, super fire. Something I definitely had to add to the collection. I paid a retail of $60 for these today. I believe some places do even have them as low as $55. I went with the pure colorway because I felt like it was the most, what's the word I'm looking for? This colorway was definitely going to get the most use out of my own personal, like fits and like my clothing attire. And just stuff like that. I do wear a lot of colors, a lot of creams, a lot of olives. So I felt like this colorway was best suited for my personal taste. I think all 3 colorways that dropped today were fire, but this was definitely the pair that I had to get my hands on. It's a slide, so there's really not too much to review. We've seen these 1,000 times. They are super light. I do like that. Like I have my Balenciaga slides on right now, and this is like a brick compared to this, which is weird because it's just a slide, but these are very super light. I did try one on, super comfortable, and I'm not sure of the sizing as far as if they do half sizes, but like I state in all my Yeezy videos, I always go up to a 9, so that's what I went in these, and I felt like they fit pretty good. I have a little bit of room in the front. My foot's like right at the end of the my heel is right at the end of the slide, so I thought that was dope. The bottom, super dope. just super cool. I mean, if you had the money, I would definitely suggest grabbing these. The resale price on these is crazy. Paying over $200 for this, you're just insane. Like, I mean, that's the price of, you're damn near paying like Gucci, Balenciaga, like type prices. It's just crazy. But for an Adidas slide, that's at the end of the day, that's all it really is. I mean, obviously it's Kanye, so the hype is there, but it's an Adidas slide. Just a very bulky Adiolite is essentially what you're paying for. But that's pretty much it. We're going to go bang out the on foot. It looks like there still is some sunlight, so I'm probably going to bring these Warlocks outside. I'll be back later this week with most likely 2 more sneaker reviews. So stay tuned to the channel, and until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Out like Polaroids. Holla.
Richie Ruckus beat.